The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a flash flood warning for southern Beltrami County until noon Central Daylight Time Wednesday at 5:59 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall of 1 to 3 inches in a short duration. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bemidji safety message: turn around, don't drown. Don't travel through flooded areas. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.